Here's how to generate multiple different camera angles without having to retake the photo shoot, only using AI prompts in Adobe Photoshop. Now for this video, I am using the latest version of Photoshop, which is Photoshop CC 2026. You will need this in order to have Nano Banana Pro 2. And roughly each time that you generate a new camera angle, it will cost around 10 credits. The first thing that we need to do is we need to press Ctrl or Command and A to select all of the canvas, and we're going to type in the specific camera angle that we want. The more specific you are, the better the camera angle will be. So we're going to start off with move only the camera to a top-down view, comma, tilt down 90 degree, comma, keep subject pose, expression, comma, orientation, comma, and gaze unchanged. This is very important as well, otherwise it will change the expression. And looking into the lens, because we want the subject to always be looking directly at the camera. We also need to mention to preserve original quality. We want to maintain the original quality. We basically want everything to be the same except from the camera to change. You want to make sure that you select the Gemini 3 model. This is the latest version of Nano Banana. And then we're going to click on Generate. And there we go. That one is actually really good. The one before this wasn't great, but this one is really good. I am really happy with this one. It's not 100% 90 degree, but it has kept the exact same pose, the same glasses, same everything. Like I said, it isn't perfect. You may get a few bad ones until you get a decent one. Now you can see by the quality, it isn't too bad. It's not the original, but you can always sharpen this up if you want to with the traditional unsharpen mask, the normal sharpen, or if you want to, you can convert it into a smart object and then use the new AI denoise and AI sharpen. This one will use topaz to sharpen it up. So here's another example. Let's say that we wanted the camera to have a slight arc to the left or the right. We can once again press Ctrl or Command and A. We're going to go to Generative Fill, and this time we're going to type in rotate only the camera 45 degrees to the right. Do not rotate or repose the subject. This is very important. Sometimes it does have a tendency to change the person or rotate the person rather than the camera. So we have to be very specific. We also want to keep pose, expression, and gaze locked on the lens. We also want to preserve original quality. So once again, selecting Gemini 3 with Nano Banana Pro, you can click on Generate, and let's see what this will give us. And there we go. That is a really good result. It looks very serious in this one. I'm not quite sure why. More serious than the previous one, but it still kept the exact same pose and everything else. Now for the rest of the prompts, I will leave them on the screen. So if you want to copy them, just remember these are created by ChatGPT. Some will work, some will allow you to copy and paste all of them, and some may not. So you may have to type some of them.